Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2016 Jeep Cherokee and I will show you how to check the battery voltage. This video should apply to Jeep Cherokees made from 2014 all the way up to 2023. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now you will be using these menu buttons on the left side of the steering wheel and you'll be looking at this screen on the instrument cluster. So you want to scroll through the options by pushing up or down until you reach vehicle info. So just keep going through it. Okay, vehicle info. And now you will be pressing either left or right button to go through these options here. So right now I have tire pressure, but I want to keep going through it until I reach battery voltage. Here you can see pretty much a bunch of useful information. Okay, and here it is, battery voltage, and this is how you can check your voltage on these vehicles without using the multimeter and lifting the hood and testing the battery manually, right? The vehicle does it for you. And as you can see, it's around 14.56, I would say, and that's how it's supposed to be when the vehicle is running. If you get under 14, 13.67 or even lower, that means your alternator is not charging the battery properly. And if you get like way over 15, that's also worrisome because then your alternator might overcharge the battery. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.